Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to add two-digit numbers together, and we're going to use tens and ones to do this. So let's read our first calculation. It says 22 add 13 equals. Now we're going to use our tens and ones over here to help us. If you haven't got any tens and ones at home, remember you can rate your 10 rods with pieces of Lego instead. So the first number, 22. How many tens are in 22? Well, this first number tells us, doesn't it, that there are two lots of tens in 22. 1, 2, 10, 20. Let's stick with the tens. How many tens in 13? Again, the first number tells us there's one lot of 10 in 13. 1, 10. So we're going to count how many tens we've got first. Are you ready to help me? 1, 2, 3. Let's put 3 over here because we have 3 lots of tens, which stand for 10, 20, 30. Okay, let's count our ones now. Now, in 22, how many lots of ones are there? That's right, the last number, the ones numbers tell us that there's 2. 1, 2. Let's look at 13. How many ones are there in 13? That's right, there are 3. So we need 3 more ones. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count how many ones we've got all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to write that number over here. Now over here, the tens and ones columns tell us that we've got 35 altogether. But let's count our tens and ones over here just to check. Are you ready? 10. 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Great job, well done. Now we could have done this without our tens and ones equipment. Let me show you. If you add 20 and 10 together, that makes 30. 2 lots of 10 add 1 lot of 10, make 3 lots of 10, 30. Now let's add our ones. 2 lots of ones and 3 lots of ones make 5. So altogether we have 35. Now let's do that with another calculation. Help me read it. 42 add 23 equals. Okay, well we're going to start with using our base 10 equipment, our tens and ones. How many tens in 42? Well done, there are 4 lots of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 30, 40. How many tens are there in 23? That's right, there are 2 lots of tens. Here we go. 10, 20. 1, 2. Now let's count how many tens we've got all together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So in our tens column, I'm going to write a 6, which stands for 60. Okay, let's go back to our ones. 42, we have 2 ones. 1 and 2. 23, we have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count how many ones we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write 5 over here in my tens and ones columns. So all together we have 65. Let's just count our tens and ones to double check. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Well done. Now, how could we have done it without using our tens and ones equipment? Well, 40 add 20 makes 60. 4 lots of 10 add 2 lots of 10 makes 6 lots of 10. 2 and 3 make 5. So altogether 65. Now I'd like you to have a go at doing this at home. You can go straight to the written method, or you can use some equipment to help you. Now remember, if you haven't got blocks of tens and ones, you could use your Lego and stick 10 pieces together for your 10. Good luck everyone.